instructions. Usually, for physics practical, you'll be given some set of instructions. So you follow this instruction. As you follow the instruction, you look at the diagram. As you follow the instruction, you look at the diagram, okay, again and again. So let me read the instruction. So we have set up the 2 rotor stand and clamp. Suspend the 2 identical spiral springs side by side from the clamp. Stop this. Wait, sorry. Usually in physics practical, okay, you'll be given some set of instructions to follow, okay, and a diagram. So as you follow the instruction, you look at the diagram, you check out the instruction again, you look at the diagram again and again. So look at the set of instructions we have on the board. The first instruction says, set up the 2 rotor stand and clamp. This is the 2 rotor stand. Look at it with the clamp. 2 rotor stand with the clamp. Let's go to the next instruction. It says, suspend 2 identical spiral springs side by side from the clamp. So we are going to be suspending 2 spiral springs. These are the 2 spiral springs. Okay. Use a piece of thread to connect the lower end of the spiral spring so they can support single mass angle. So look at the thread, okay, that I've used to support the 2 spiral spring. So it can support mass angle. Okay. Now, the next instruction says attach an optical pin to the bottom of the mass angle. So we have mass angle. This is the mass angle. This is the mass angle. Now I've attached my optical pin to it. Okay, this is the optical pin attached at the bottom of the mass angle. Now the next instruction says, read the initial position S0 of the pointer when no load is attached. Okay, so this is my mass angle. I'm going to be reading S0 with the help of what? The meter rule, of course. So I'm going to be putting my meter rule here, and then I clamp it. So my readings will be easy. Okay, so let's bring it. This is my mass angle. Okay, so permit me to clean the first part of the board so that I can take my reading. I'm going to be cleaning this so that I have my reading. So it means I'm going to be having my mass in grams, right? My mass is going to be in grams, starting from, okay, we'll get to that point. So let me read my S0. My S0 is 69. So we are not going to be writing 69. So we have S0 is equal to 69.00. 69.00 centimeters. Okay? So let's go to the next instruction. What does it say? It says we have gotten our S0 of the pointer. Suspend a mass M is equal to 150 grams. So now we are going to follow that instruction. This is 100. This is 100. This is what? 50. So we are going to be suspending it on this mass angle. You do it gently. You do it gently. 150. So we are going to read and record the new position S1. So we have S1 in centimeter, right? So what is my reading now? Let me read. Let me take the pointer to this side. So we have 74.3. So it is 74.3 down. Remember, this is 150 grams, okay? Now let's follow the instruction again. It says calculate the new extension E is equal to S1 minus S0. So we have E is equal equal to what? S1 minus S0, of course, in centimeter. So S1 minus S0 is simply this minus this. Alright. So what is the next thing we'll do? What is the next instruction? It says displace the mass downward slightly and release so it oscillates vertically. Use the stopwatch to time 20 complete oscillation. So what does that mean? It means we are going to release it a little bit down and then do for 20 oscillations. Just pause it. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 11.52. So the next thing we are going to be doing is for what? It says what? Use the stopwatch to time 20 complete oscillation. Okay, no. Yes. Repeat the process for the remaining masses 200 grams. Now you understand the process, so we're going to be doing for 200 grams. This is 50. We can remove 50 and then replace with what? 100, so that we have our 200. Okay, so we'll find our S1. They say we should repeat the same thing for this new mass. So what is the we have 75.5. So for 200 grams we have 75.5. So now we're going to do 20 oscillations for this. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, timer? 11.33 seconds. So the next one is what? 200 and what? 50. Please focus on yours. So we are going to add 50. Okay, and then we find our S1 again. So what is my S1? My optical pen. S1 is 77.2. So we have 77.2 there. Okay? Sorry. My timer is supposed to be here. My timing. 11.33. Sorry about that. This is for extension. Okay? So let's do the oscillation. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What do we have? 11.82 seconds. 11 point what? 82. 82. This thing is not giving us. No. When we are doing experiments, we know if something is wrong. Look at the thing. It's dropping and then it's increasing. So something is wrong.